What's up, everyone? It's Carlos with Tokigante. In the last episode, I filled in this area and this area and this area, filled it with resin. And today what I want to do is drill in a hole through here so that my seat post can go all the way down to here. The seat post I am talking about is this one, the twisted seat post that I got on eBay. And I'm filling it up with resin, 65D resin, and I'll explain in a little bit why I'm doing that. But first thing I gotta do is drill or make a hole through here so I can put in the seat post. I went to Harbor Freight and I got this set to make the hole. So let's give it a try. I never been inside a Harbor Freight. They have some good deals, so good stuff. So now I made I drilled out the hole where the seat post is gonna go. This is the underside. And let me show you what I did more near the crank. So I drilled a hole inside here and I put in a washer. I'm going to sand the area, clean it up a little bit. And for the seat posts right here, what I did was I poured resin inside and I put in this bolt so that I can run it through the frame right here. Running it through all the way. So then it goes through here. And put the washer in first. I'm sorry. Putting the washer in. And then I'm going to put it through here. Like so. Like that. And then inside of this, I'm bolting it down inside of there with just bolting it down so then it stays in place. And that's what I had to do to make this area clean. So there you go. So this is where I'm at right now. There's a screw inside there. It's holding everything down. So now I got a really nice twisted seat post. And the seat's gonna clamp onto there. And when I tighten it down after I paint it, it's gonna be really tight and secure. Right now it's loose because I haven't bolted it down yet. But that is the look I wanted, and that's how I made this happen. So it's gonna get cleaned up and it's gonna look good. I'm going to wet sand it, primer it one more time, wet sand it again, and then just as many times to get it nice and smooth everywhere. And then I'm going to give it the first coat of paint. Alright, let's glitter it up. I'm going to start with the blue. And then wait a few days and then do another color. Alright, so here's the first coat of paint. It's a blue sparkle. It sparkles nicely in the sun. The only thing at this point, it's very rough. It's like sandpaper a little bit. So I'm going to have to clear coat it, obviously, but that's the first pass. I'm using a Krylon Glitter Blast, by the way. This is the brand. I got it at Michael's. So, it's good paint. I used it before. I got the bike hanging and I did a blue flake paint job. And I masked off the patterns that I want for now on both sides. And I'm going to start off with painting it with the glitter blast. I'm going to do a purple. Now I got a purple and I have a blue. It's the blue and the purple. So I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna add another layer of paint. Okay, I got a few layers of paint. I did my next design, and I'm gonna paint it with this color. So let's do this. The final coat with a silver flash. So let's see what happens. I got the gray sparkle. I'm gonna let it dry. Remove the tape, see how it looks, and I'll do some clear coat.
Whoa. Am I doing it okay?
Yeah. Sand it. You add some clear coat, wet sand it again, repeat the process. I could have kept going over and over and over, but you know, I'm satisfied with how it looks. And for a bike for cruising around, it's definitely something that I'm gonna have fun with, and I hope everyone enjoyed the process. I just wanted to bring this bike back to life and give it a new home and a new reason to shine again in the sun. The glitter, it's beautiful. It sparkles in the sun. It's much nicer in person, but now that I have this this project out of my system, I can concentrate on other things. So even if you're not into bicycles, I hope you learned something. Maybe I learned a lot, and I hope you enjoyed this episode of Toy Gigante. Once I put it together in a few months, we'll go for a little cruise and take some video. But for now, I wanted to show you the process and all the work that went into it. So thank you everyone for watching, and like I said, I got other projects. I got a lot of projects to do, and that's all I wanted to share the the experience with you. Have an amazing day. I'll talk to everyone soon, and thank you for watching. Bye.